In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset a TradingView chart. So there's actually a few things you want to do to completely reset your chart view. Now, the first thing is going to be resetting the chart view and scaling. First, you want to go to the right here where you can see this price scale and you want to double click it, which is going to reset it to default. Okay, so double click and it's going to automatically reset the price spacing. Then you want to go to the bottom over here and you want to double click on the time scale as well, which is going to again basically reset this timeline to its default balanced view. Then whenever you've done that, of course, you'll be able to see that you are now kind of in the default view, and of course you can move around and stuff like that. What I would also recommend is whenever you hover to the right here, you can see down here at the bottom there's this auto, so you can just toggle this on as well, which is going to also be kind of the default that you have, and that's the first part done. Okay, now the second thing you have to do if you want to do that is to basically remove the drawings and indicators. So to remove drawings, you want to go to the bottom left here, click on this trash can icon or this arrow next to it, and then from here you can basically remove the drawings and indicators. So I'm gonna click on remove drawings and indicators, and there we go, all of them are gonna get removed. Now the only thing missing right now is going to be, of course, the chart colors and whatnot. So if you have like background colors or custom colors for your candles or stuff like that, you can always reset this by going up top over here and clicking on the name of your loadout right now. And of course here you can see this arrow, click on this arrow, and then down here of course you could also create a new layout, or you can just go to the settings, and inside settings you can go to template and click on apply defaults. Now when you hit OK, as you can see in the back, it's going to reset back to normal. And of course then if you want to reset time frames and of course your chart type up here, you can also go to candles and go to like 1 hour or something like this. So that's how to completely reset your TradingView chart. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.